Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, panel for Adani like routes likely. SEBI probing allegations by Hindelburg. Next, inflation jumps to 3-month high. Next, Tata Sons planning to merge multiple arms. Next, PV sales hit 3-month high in January. SIAM. Next, 81 bonds write off. Yes Bank moves Supreme Court. Next, CBI gets NSE nude to prosecute Chitra. Next, Aero India takes off with majestic displays. Next, historic debut of US Air Force's F-35 jets. Next, Modi, India to triple defense exports to $5 billion by FY25. Next, SEBI steps up vigil on mutual funds industry. Next, Renault Nissan to invest rupees 5,300 crore in India, build 6 new cars. Next, advertisement spends of rupees 9,000 crore riding on cricket in 2023. Next, on page number 4 in economy section, under that, DPIIT considering quality norms for building materials. Next, road toll rates to see 5% hike in FY24 ICRA. Next, CAG opposes Rajasthan's strategy system plan. Next, PFC net profit rises 7% to rupees 5,241 crore in quarter 3. Next, post office export sales to help small traders. Next, public insurers may turn around FY24 government. Next, state run general insurers exposure to Adani firm 0.14%. Next, retail food inflation rises to 5.94% in January. Next, DRI monthly seizures cross rupees 1000 crore. Next, GST compensation to a few states delayed FM. Next, then I comes to page number 5 in companies section. Under that, sale profit falls 65% to rupees 542 crore in quarter 3. Next, Pesky calls still a Minancy survey. On page number 6 in companies section, under that, Isar Oil and Gas reports record profit revenue. Next, Z Entertainment quarter 3 profit declines 92%. Next, IRB Infranet almost doubled to rupees 141 crore. Next, JP Infratech quarter 3 net loss widened to rupees 601 crore. Next, Map My India to buy 20% stake in drones. Next, Garuda Aerospace rises $22 million. Next, Hyundai opens booking of all new Verna. Next, Yamaha launches 2023 motorcycle lineup. Next, Shriram Pistons buy 75% in Takahata. Next, Adani cuts growth target. Next, Tata Sons plan to merge multiple investment act for arms. Next, Zomato, Swiggy, cap password sharing in loyalty scheme. Next, Audi to drive in another electric car this year. Next, Supreme Court directs Uber to apply for license to operate in Maharashtra. Next, Nykaa profit falls 71% in quarter 3 on high finance cost. Next, on page number 8 in opinion section, under that, in subscribers interest. Next, thought hiking rates was tough, wait for the pause. Next, Google and ChatGPT can coexist. Next, planning for energy transition. On page number 9 investor section, under that, LIC expect strong growth in products. Next, Zomato demand revival seen in near future. Next, Mahindra and Mahindra scaling up UV volumes. Next, rapid cloud adoption has lead to complicity in IT estate. Next, that WhatsApp message from your boss may be a red herring. On page number 10 in international section, under that, Brexit cost every British household European 1000 BOE official. Next, EU executive rises 2023 growth forecast. Next, Toyota CEO to be pushes for EV. Next, more than 10 US balloons flee in over airspace leaks China. Next, US downs fourth air balloon object. Next, has ChatGPT gains transaction lawmaker in US take notes. Next, Russian Air Force claim gains alone Ukraine frontline. Next, markets have reasons to be upbeat on economy. IMF chief. Next, Turkey finds more survivor but hopes dwindle. Uh, Quick cost up to $84 billion. Business group. On page number 11 in market section under that, investors bet on money market funds. Next, Sensex extends losses for second day and 251 points down. Next, rupee falls 12 paisa to close at 82.70 rupees. Next, gold ETF locks rupees 199 crore outflow in January. Next, RBI scraps registration of two NBFC entities. Next, Adani Group stocks continue to bleed. Fresh share pledge for Australia project SBI. Next, not concerned about $976 million exposure DBS. Next, Kotak waits insurance unit stake sale. Next, CBI gets NSC board nude to prosecute Chitra Ramakrishna. Next, NBFC bank divide will shrink going forward. Yes Bank ED. Next, Yes Bank moves Supreme Court against High Court ruling on 80 A1 bonds write-off. On page number 15 in market section under that, Shri administrator rejects Kanori's offer. Next, first green bond issue sees strong demand. Next, Repco HF profit jumps 157% in quarter 3. Next, Insurance Dekho rises $150 million in Series A funding. On page number 16 in company section under that, Apple supplier Salcomp sees India revenue of $2 to 3 billion. Next, Supreme Court asks SpiceJet to pay rupees 270 crore to Maran. Next, Supreme Court directs Bombay High Court to speed up hearing in Finolex case. Next, Finolex CFO says business returning to pre-COVID levels. Next, PV sales touch 3-month high in January. Next, more money to go into new energy areas, says Thermax. Next, on page number 18, in that India to play crucial role in World Food Security MPCM. Again, I am repeating, India to play crucial role in World Food Security MPCM. Next, Goel directs FCI to sell more wheat in open market. On page number 21 in nation section under that, PM calls for tripling defense exports. Next, US F-35S debut at Aerospace India. Next, top draws at WPL. Next, securing highest bid Mandhana in a league of her own. Next, PM Aero India shining example of our capabilities. Next, showing millet lead growth globally. Next, FTB school list Colombia on top. ISB is India's best. Next, Boeing set up India investment. Next, that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.